Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here. Today I'm gonna show you guys about my final assignment for English for Math by my lecturer, Mr. Ahmad Wafa Nizami. This is it. Okay, let's move on. Today I'm going to talk about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of algebraic expression. So every my friend of my class get one subject to discuss, but with English. So I'm not pretty sure about my English, but that's I'm gonna explain it with my hardest as hard as I can. So here it is. Okay, what is algebra? So algebra is a branch of mathematics dealing with symbol and rules for manipulating those symbols. In so this algebra is made by a Muslim scholar. So his name is Muhammad al-Khwarizmi. So algebra is from word Arabic algebra, so it means like describing something, but we don't know how to explain it. So we using it as a symbol to explain what we don't know. So in elementary algebra, so those symbols today written as Latin, as a letter we know like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and etc. Until Z, and Greek letters like alpha, beta, gamma, and the other represent the quantities without fixed values. So without fixed values mean it can be changed, known as variables. So variables can change depend on what the equation that been using. So let's say that in one question x is 5, x is equal to 5, but in another equation it could be x equal to 7, depend on the equation. So for example, like this, 3 plus 4 equals to blah 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 or what. Now this one is really intriguing mathematician. So they don't like this. They don't like the something that they cannot to be pronounced. So we know that 3 plus 4 is a known values. So we know the values and we know what the meaning. But this dot of points, this is the unknown value, but uh, we can't say it or we cannot pronounce it. So they try to symbolize these unknown values. Now, these unknown values, to make it easy to be pronounced, written as symbol, usually written as letter X. It could be any letters, A, B, C, but usually it's letter X. So if we write it in an equation, 3 plus 4 equals to X. So we can operate it. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 equal to X. So X is equal to 7. So now, so this is the algebra. So we can pronounce what we don't know, but we can find the values that we don't know, the unknown values. Uh, so that's the purpose of this algebra. You need to find the unknown values like x. So and then next one, algebraic expression. In mathematics, an algebraic expression is an expression built from integer constant, variables, and the algebraic operation. So like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponential. By an exponent is a rational number. So exponent is like a power, quadratic, or and etc. But we just discuss this addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then for example, 2x powered by 2 minus 5x plus c equals to 0. Now, x is called variables, and then 5 in the front, or 2 or minus 5 is a coefficient in front of the variable. and then minus, plus minus multiplication, times or division is operation, and operation is operator. And then the constant c is always a number without variables, we call it constant. And then this one is a term, so this is term, this is term, and this is term. Three, four terms. Now there's a rule when you want to solve the algebraic expression. In addition, subtraction, rule number one is variable with same symbol has same values, like this. X plus x equal to 6. This is 2 plus 4 is 6. It's right. The equation is right, but the symbol is wrong. So when you say that x is 2 and then x is 4, x is also 4, so it's confusing. So we need a constancy. So every x, it always have the same values. Like x, this is the correct one, 3 plus 3. So x equals to 3. So this is wrong, okay? So variable with same symbol has same values. And then next one, rule number one, a variable with different symbol usually has different values, but it could be has the same values. Example, x plus y equal to 6. If x equals to 1, then y equals to 5. If x equals to 2, then y equal to 4. See, it varies every time you change the variable. So it depends on the variable. It depends on what variable you use or a values that is inside. So, and then this one, if x equal to 3, then y equal to 3. It means x equals 3. So different symbol could be has the same value, but usually has a different values. Usually, okay. But you cannot. It could be the same values. Hope that you can understand that. But this is a simple equation, so we can actually predict the values inside. But there's a really complicated equation that you need to solve first, like that. But we discuss it later. Okay, rule number one for algebraic expression is for multiplication and division. For multiplication, you can write a times b equal to ab. So you can write like this because these variables. We can understand that this one is a times b, even though we don't know the values, but we know that this expression means multiplication. And then for division, you can write a divided by b equals to a over b. So you can write like this, or you can write like this, whatever. But usually write this, a over b. Okay, the next rule is, remember, a, b only work for variables. See, two of them are variable, okay? Doesn't work for known values like 2 times 5 unequal to 25, okay? It doesn't work with like this. So instead, you can write it using parentheses. Like example, 2 times 5, so in the bracket, 2 multiply times 5, so we know that this one is working as multiplication. 2 times 5 equal to 10. So now we know that the right answer is 10. Okay. Remember, it only works for variables and doesn't work for known values like this, for numbers, any number. Okay. Next one. Now, for operating algebraic expression, we need to find the values of the unknown values. Like say, if the symbol is x, we need to find the x. If the symbol is y, we need to find the symbol y, etc., etc. So 2x plus 3 equal to 11. Now find the values of x. Now we can operating it like arithmetic operation with plus, minus, or multiplication or division. Like this. 2x plus 3 equal to 11. Now, so we can operate it by -3, so we can remove this +3 on this side, so we can only need x in this side, and then this all in this is the number or constant number. So minus the both side we minus subtract by 3, so it's equal to x is 0, so we can uh, let's just remove it, and then this remaining is 2x equals to 11 minus 3. It's 8, and then to make it it's only x, so we multiply both of them by a half. So 2x times half is x, and then equals to 8 times half, and then it's equal to 4. Half it divided by 2, you can say that 8 divided by 2 is 4. So after writing the equation, we know that the value of x is 4. Like I said, so uh, previous equation is just easy, but this one is just, we need to operate it by step. Okay, this is the example 1, and then the second one, 5x plus 6 over 2 equals to 3x plus 6. Now find the values of x. This is very complicated, but we can solve it one by one. Okay, solution: 5x plus 6 over 2 equals to 3x plus 6. Both sides multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 times 2. So we can remove this division on this side. So 5x plus 6 remaining, and then these two multiplied both of them, so 3x multiplied by 2 is 6x, and then 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Okay, and then both of them, so we need to find the side of x is only in the left side, and then the constant or a number in the right side. So we need to remove this variable on this side, so we minus it by 6x, so it's gone. Then this one is 5x minus 6x equal to minus x plus 6. This is 12, the remaining, and then to make it 6 disappear, we subtract by 6 both of side. So this is remove it. So 0 minus equal to minus x, then 12 minus 6, remaining is 6 equals to 6. So, and then both side multiply by -1 equals to x, x equal to -6. So this is the answer that we trying to find. The unknown value is -6. Now, so we know that the values of x is -6. Okay, that's all that I can teach you guys about this algebraic expression. There are so many things that you can play with this algebraic expression, but this is the elementary, so it's just easy. At the next class of the next lesson is really complicated, but you can solve it step by step. It's like this. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.